this chapter we will discuss about how to find the area of circle, how to find the area of semicircle, how to find the area of quadrant. These are the parts of the circle. Okay, semicircle, quadrant, sector, segments. Okay, we will explain it. Okay, now first of all, what is the circle? Now how to find the area of the circle? How to find the area of the circle? Area, that is the area of the circle. We have given radius O, radius R. Radius R. Okay. Now that is the boundary of the circle. Boundary of the circle. Boundary of the circle. Boundary of the circle is called circumference of the circle. Or formula to find the circumference of the circle, that is the 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay, that is the circle. Okay, this boundary, that is the circumference of the circle, and that is the area. Okay, clear? Now formula to find the area of the circle. Area of circle that is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Okay, clear? Now what is the value of pi? Pi is 22/7. Actual pi. What is the actual pi? Pi is a relationship or ratio. Pi is a ratio of the circumference to its diameter. Pi is a ratio of circumference to diameter. Clear? That is always we get the result 22/7. Okay. After that we will discuss about the semicircle. If we divide a circle into two parts, there are two parts. One is upper and one is lower. Clear? Means two parts. These two parts are called semicircle. Okay? When I move it into two parts, okay, that is called semicircle. Clear? That is the semicircle. Semicircle की जो ये बन जाएगी बाउंड्री, बाउंड्री, ओके, कर्व, इनको क्या करेंगे इसे कर्व, और that is the diameter. ओके, तो पेरीमीटर की बात करेगा कर्व प्लस diameter. What is the length of the curve? That is the half of the circle circumference. First of all, perimeter we will draw here. That is the semicircle. Now perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter meaning whole perimeter of the whole circle is circumference of the circle. That is the pi r. Okay. Now it will become half of the boundary is 2 pi r upon 2. That is 2 pi r upon 2 plus d. That is the diameter, or we can write as 2r, double of the radius. Okay, plus d. It will become pi r plus d. Pi r plus d. Okay, clear? After that, we will find how to find the area. Area by area of a semicircle. Now divide the whole area by 2 because it's a half. Okay, clear? Divided by 2. Clear? After that we will divide a circle into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. It will become a quadrant of a circle. Other name is sector. Okay. When a sector is having 90 degree angle, that is called quadrant of a circle. Okay. It's a quadrant of a circle. It means the fourth part of the circle is called quadrant of a circle. Now then, how to find the perimeter of the quadrant? How to find the perimeter of the quadrant? That is the perimeter. देखो, listen बेटा. Whole that curve is the fourth part of the whole circumference. It means 2 pi r upon 4. It's a 2 pi r upon 4 plus r because these are radius. Okay. 2 pi r upon 4 plus 2r. That is a cancelled. Means pi r upon 2 plus 2r. That is equal to perimeter of the quadrant of a circle. Now area of quadrant. Area of quadrant 1 by 4 by r square because it is the fourth part. Okay, clear better? Now we have a one chord. Listen carefully. We have a one chord on a circle. That is the chord of the circle. Okay, जो chord होती है वो circle को 2 segments में divide कर देती है. कितने? 2 segments. One is the main. A chord is divided it into two parts is 2 segments. Okay, one is the major segment and other is the minor segment. Listen, that is the major segment. Okay, and if you observe this part only, that is the minor segment. This part is the minor segment. Okay, major segment and minor segment, I think you are clear. Okay, after that we will discuss sector of the circle. Listen carefully. When we cut from the radius from the two faces of the circle, this will become like as that is the two parts. Listen carefully. That is the major sector. That is the major sector. And that is the minor sector. How we will find the area? We will discuss after that. That is the minor sector. That is the
major sector.
Major sector. Okay. Clear? Now, how to find the area of sector? That is the minor sector or sector. Sector that is theta upon theta meaning angle. Okay, which you have given already. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is the area of a minor sector. अगर मेजर का फाइंड करना हो तो then you will use angle from 360. Okay, 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, बेटा. After that, area length of minor r. इस length की r कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? That is equal to theta upon means the angle upon 360 into 2 pi r. Because the length is the part of the circumference. Clear? Is it clear? Now, how to find the segment of the circle? Area of the segment of a circle. That is the radius. That is also radius. That is the angle is called
radius.
segment. That is called segment. To find the area of segment, area of theta upon that is 60 into pi r square. Listen carefully. Listen all. Sector का area find out हो गया. Whole sector. तो you will reduce the area of triangle. It's the remaining area of segment. Okay. What is the formula to find the area of triangle? When you have given angle of radius, that is 1/2 r square sin theta minus 1/2 r square sin theta. That is our formula to find the area of a segment. So after that we will solve this sum. Okay. So